chicken.
Yeah.
This is the real size of the chicken, and I'm making the something
कसको लागि बनाएको तिमीले?
for my grandmother, for my grandfather and me, and for my pet dog.
Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye. Stay tuned for more videos. So guys, you know how the chicken will be now. Now the third step will be we will just mash this and we will put it in the chicken. Then we will first the chicken will be laid. Then we will put this something and then this chips. So what's the fourth step of KFC making? So this is the third step.
Crunchy, no?
Yeah, it will be so crunchy.
Oh my goodness. No?
No.
Yeah, put this. Put
Okay.
this slowly.
Hey,
Oh,
I dropped it.
No.
Too much.
Okay.
Okay. Now this.
Now this.
We can hair.
Little.
Little.
Yeah.
Okay. Now the flour.
Cornflower.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We can call it atta or flour.
Yeah.
So
This is a
then the
crunchy.
chips.
Just more.
Just little more.
It's okay. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Put this slowly.
Slowly go.
Okay.
Yay!
Wow.
Now the
I
last
like it.
one.
Now the last one. Okay, first.
Dip. First dip.
Yeah.
First
Slowly.
dip. Then
Nicely.
another side.
Nicely. Okay.
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 Then
Put this. Yeah.
then the rice.
Cornflower.
Now the flour. Now the last ingredient. Flush.
Plus another.
Flush.
That's it.
Woo!
Oh, yahoo! Such just wait. Wait, okay. Okay. Just wait. Wait. Slowly. Okay, put.
Wow.
Okay. Wow. Nice, KFC.